Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. Today in this video we will be saying few important bits of POLYCET as you are having POLYCET 2023 on 10th May 2023. So let us see 2022 paper physics section. As you know that the POLYCET entrance exam will have 120 questions and you need to attend them for 120 minutes, that's 2 hours. In 2 hours you need to attend 120 questions, that is we have to do bubbling of. To start with 2022 paper physics section. Physics will have 40 questions. So let us quickly see the 2022 paper with its solution. 1 calorie, 4.18 joules. Which among the following behaves like heat storehouse for the earth? Heat storehouse for the earth. Oceans. Pick the correct match. Substance and specific heat is given. Water. Water specific heat is 4180. Glass specific heat is 504. Iron specific heat is 483. So first option is right, that is water 4180, glass 504, iron 483. Formation of dew drops on the surface of a cold soft drink bottle kept in air is due to condensation. The heat energy supplied to a system during melting is known as latent heat of fusion. The device used to measure the specific heat of a substance is calorimeter. If I and R are the angle of incidence and refraction respectively, then I less than R means the light ray travels from denser to rarer medium. Light ray travels from denser to rarer medium if I is less than R. The physical quantity which has no units is refractive index. The symbol double arrow used to draw the ray diagram index indicates convex lens. Next question. If y and y by 4 are the object and image distances due to convex lens respectively, then its focal length is y by 5. A rectangular tank of depth 2 meter is full of water of refractive index 4 by 3. When viewed from the top, the bottom of the tank is seen at a depth of 1.5 meter. A lens bounded by two spherical surfaces curved inwards is double concave. Lens bounded by two spherical surfaces curved inward is double concave. A convex lens gives a virtual image when the object is placed on the principal axis between focal point and optical center. Which among the following pairs represent optically transparent and opaque media? Optically transparent is ice, opaque is clay. Ice, clay. When we sit at a campfire, objects beyond the fire are seen swaying. The principle involved in it is refraction. If A and B are the speed of light in a medium and refractive index, A is the speed of light and B is the refractive index of that medium respectively, then A is low when B is high. That is speed of light is low when the refractive index is high. A is low when B is high. Speed of light is low when refractive index is high. The refractive index of glass with respect to air is 2. The critical angle at their interface is 30 degree. If R1 and R2 are the radii of curvature, n is the refractive index and f is the focal length, then the lens maker formula is given by 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. In case of myopia defect, the image is formed before the retina. In myopia, the image is formed before the retina. The quantity which has the unit ampere second is electric charge. Ampere second is the unit of electric charge. The part of the human eye which helps the eye lens to change its focal length is ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscle. A bulb is marked 100 watt and 240 volt. The resistance of the bulb is, you can calculate using the formula P is equal to VI and I is equal to V by R, which is equal to P is equal to V square by R. On computing, you will get the answer as 576 ohms. 100 watt bulb, 240 volts. The resistance is 576 ohms. Next question. The power of a lens is 2.5 diopter. Its focal length is 40 centimeter. Electric fuse is used in household circuits for the purpose of preventing damages due to overloading. Bifocal lenses used to correct the defect of vision are called bifocal lens. Which defect is corrected? Presbyopia. Bifocal lenses, presbyopia. 4 resistors, each of 2 ohm, are connected in the form of 4 sides of a parallelogram. The equivalent resistance between the 2 opposite corners is 2 ohms. Pick the correct answer from the following 2 statements. In VIBGYOR, wavelength increases from violet to red. Second, in VIBGYOR, refractive index increases from violet to red. In these 2 statements, we have to find which is the correct one. So, answer is only A is true. That is, in VIBGYOR, the wavelength increases from violet to red. Ohm's law is applicable to metallic conductors. Next question. The formation of the rainbow is due to dispersion of sunlight by water droplets. Resistance of a wire of length 0.5 meter and area of cross section 1 millimeter square is 1 ohms. The resistivity in ohm meter of the wire is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. If I1 and I2 are the angles of incidences and emergence respectively and A is the angle of the prism, then angle of deviation is given by I1 plus I2. I1 is angle of incidence, I2 is angle of emergence. I1 plus I2 minus A is the angle of the prism. I1 plus I2 minus A. The area of current time graph gives electric charge. Current time, what is the unit of current? Ampere. Time, seconds. Ampere second is electric charge. Time current graph area is electric charge. 2 resistors of 3 ohm and 2 ohm are connected in series and a potential difference of 5 volts is applied across them. The potential difference across 2 ohm resistor is 2 volts. 3 resistors 1 ohm, 0.1 ohm, 0.001, 0.01 ohm are connected in series combination. Their equivalent resistance is 1.11 ohm. Series resistance connection R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. The scientist who proposed that the metallic conductors contain large number of free electrons is Drude and Lawrence. Of the 2 bulbs in a house, one glows brighter than the other. Which of the two has larger resistance? The larger resistance will be of the dim bulb. Pick the correct answer from the following two statements. Kirchhoff's junction law is based on the conservation of charge. Second one, Kirchhoff's loop law is based on the conservation of energy. In this, which statement is right? Third option is right here. Both A and B are true. Kirchhoff's junction law is based on conservation of charge. Kirchhoff's loop law is based on conservation of energy. Next question. The electric power in kilowatt hour consumed in operating a 60 watt bulb for 3 hours a day in a month of 30 days is 5.4. On increasing the temperature, the resistance of copper and germanium respectively. What will happen by increasing the temperature? The resistance of copper will increase and the germanium resistance will decrease. So, on increasing the temperature, resistance of copper increases. With increase in temperature, copper is a metal, a conductor. So, with increase in temperature, resistance increases, and germanium is a semiconductor. So, with increase in temperature, resistance decreases. For conductor, resistance increases. For semiconductor, resistance decreases. So, it is increase, decrease, copper increase, germanium decrease. 3 volts into 4 coulombs is equal to 12 joules. Okay. So, in this physics section we have seen total 40 questions. Okay. Next we will see the chemistry section in the next video of 2022 paper. I am trying to just share the objectives of 2022 paper with its key so that it will be easy for quick preparation. If you have any queries, you can post it in the comment section. Thank you. Good luck, students.